This Faceless TikTok channel racks up millions of views and earns around $1,000 per video. And how exactly? By creating ultra-simple YouTube and TikTok shorts using AI. Yes, you heard that right. AI creates these videos, and their audience absolutely loves it. Nearly all of their videos hit millions of views. Here, check out one of their viral videos. And the creator is actually so nice that he published a guide on how to make those kinds of videos. Just click here and wait a minute. Oh, nice surprise, it costs $100. But hey, what if I show you how to do it? And all I ask is you to hit that like button if you like what you see. Sounds fair enough? Let's do it. I'm going to show you how to use 3 different AI tools along with CapCut to create these kinds of videos for free and in no time. It's super easy, and by the time you finish watching this, you'll definitely want to start your own Faceless channel. Just take a look at our competition. Millions of views from simple, AI-generated videos where animals are transformed into all sorts of things, like kings, twins, warriors, and more. All of it is created by AI. So, how do we do this? You can find all the details like prompts and links to tools in Google Docs from the description. So open it and let's start. First, we need our main tool, ChatGPT. The prompt we're going to use is already set up to give us exactly what we need, a neatly organized table that breaks down everything, topic, country, and the prompt for generating an image. Let me explain how it works in detail. The prompt we use tells ChatGPT to generate a list based on the topic, which in this case is countries as animal warrior characters. We specify the format, language, tone, and even include a few examples to guide ChatGPT. Once you input this prompt, ChatGPT generates the results and organizes them into a table. In the first column, we have the topic. The second column lists the countries, and the third column provides the specific image prompts we'll need. It's really straightforward, and this is the information we'll use to create our images using the next tool, Leonardo AI. So, open up Leonardo AI, and on the main screen, click on the Image Creation option. This will take you to the page where you can generate your images. But before we start, make sure you're using the Leonardo Diffusion XL model by clicking the Legacy Mode button in the top right corner, and choose Diffusion XL from here if necessary. Also, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 on the left-hand side. Now that we're set up, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, and paste it into Leonardo AI's prompt box. Hit Generate, and in just a few seconds, you'll get your image. Pretty easy, right? Repeat the process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next country's prompt, paste it in, and generate the next image. Do this for all 10 countries or however many you choose to feature in your video. Want to change the topic? No problem. Just ask ChatGPT for a new topic like countries as explorers, and it'll give you fresh prompts. You'll always have new ideas to work with. Once we have all the images, we'll download the best ones. But there's one more thing we need. The flags of each country. Head over to Pixabay, where you can download royalty-free flag images. This is important because it means you won't run into any copyright issues. Now, it's time to turn these still images into a video. For this, we'll use Kling AI. If you're not familiar with it, Kling AI is an awesome tool that can take your still images and turn them into dynamic videos. After clicking the link in the Google Docs, you'll be directed to a page where you can create a free Kling AI account. Once inside, you'll see an interface that lets you create videos from your images. Select the AI videos option, then choose Image to Video and upload your images. Kling AI will automatically generate a video from your image. But we're not done yet. To make this video ready for YouTube or TikTok, we need to combine all the clips and flags into one polished video. This is where CapCut comes in. First, upload all the videos you just generated into CapCut and change the aspect ratio to 9:16 to fit the vertical format required for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Then, to make the transitions between clips smooth and engaging, add the Clair 2 transition effect. You can find this under the Transitions tab. Just drag it between the first 2 clips, and from right here, pick Apply to All. Next, let's spice things up with effects. Go to the Effects tab and apply the shake effect at the end of each clip, just where the transition finishes. This adds a little extra movement that keeps things dynamic. Now it's time to add text. Drag the default text onto the timeline, click on it, and customize it by changing the font, color, and adding an outline. For the text animation, choose Bounce In for the in animation and Pop Down for the out animation. Copy and paste the text across all your clips and simply update the country name for each one. After that, we need to add the flags. Just drag the flag images onto the timeline, resize them, and place them next to the text. Then, apply the Shake 3 for in and Rotate for out animations to each flag, just like we did with the text. This will keep everything visually interesting. Finally, let's bring it all together with some music. I found a cool track on Pixabay called Hip Hop, which adds a perfect vibe to the video. To make things even more unique, I also included a sound effect called Low Monster Roar from Pixabay. Adding sound effects like this can really elevate your video and make it stand out. Once that's done, just hit export, download your finished video, and vamos, you've created your own viral-worthy video. Before we check the final product, I'd like to remind you about a few things. If you want to get paid from TikTok, your videos must be at least 1 minute long. And after the latest update of YouTube, you can now make short-form content up to 3 minutes in YouTube. So make sure you create videos longer than 1 minute. And that way you can publish the same video in TikTok and YouTube and get monetized from both platforms. Also, for getting into the TikTok creativity program, you need an account from one of the eligible countries, and you need to have 10,000 followers and get 100,000 views in 30 days. With videos like this, it is more than doable. But if you want to play safe, there is a link in Google Docs where you can find ready monetized TikTok and YouTube accounts. In that way, you will maximize your earning potential. Okay, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and we see you one of the next one. Now let's watch the final product together.